guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Zane on Zane TV. Today I'm gonna cook a delicious pancake. We're gonna need a mixing bowl and then a whisk and then a flour and then a baking powder and the oil and the sugar and then a salt and then an eggy. So let's start. We're gonna put on the flour first. Let's see. Just tell me if that's enough, okay? Okay guys, look at the flour. Now we're gonna put baking powder. Here's my spoon. Okay guys, here's the baking. How many scoops? One. Another one. We're gonna put some sugar. This is a big spoon. Oh, I forgot to wear my apron. You need to have one apron when you're cooking. Come on. Now we're gonna put some salt for taste. We're done at our dry ingredient. Now we're gonna mix it. Come on.
Mix it slowly.
After mixing, we're gonna put some eggs. I'm gonna use these eggs. Just kidding. It's actually an Easter egg from Easter Sunday. Yep. Okay guys, here's the real egg. If you don't know how to crack it and you're just a kid like me, ask your parents for help.
Okay.
Okay guys, I'm gonna try to crack the egg. Okay, but I found the edge button in the middle. Yep.
Oh no, where did your egg go?
Oh my goodness. Sorry guys, I cracked the egg, but it's okay. I'm gonna put this at our mixing bowl. All of them. And then we're gonna put some oil. Daddy's gonna do it.
Oh.
Okay, now it's time to mix. Okay, it's enough. What happened to do? Come on, quick. Guys, I almost forgot some milk. We're gonna put the milk slowly. Daddy, help me. I'm gonna mix it. I'm so excited, guys, because my favorite food is actually pancakes. Guys, continue. Look at it. Yep. Look at it. Helicopter. I'm chasing this thing. Okay guys, I'm done mixing it. It should be like this consistency.
Okay.
Now we're gonna cook it. Let's go to the kitchen. We're gonna need some pan and butter, and then this it's a scoop for this, so you can put it over there. Put some butter first. And there's a flipping rod over there. We just need to wait for it to get hot and make the butter melt. Because I played Tokaboka before. It's a game that you can melt and
Oops.
oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Now we just need to wait it to cook, okay?
A few moments later.
The little chef. Little chef. What do you want to put on your pancake? Syrup or Nutella or
Syrup.
syrup?
I like syrup. Look at me. Look at me. Honey. Look at me. Okay. Okay guys, we're gonna make a big pancake and it's the last one. Come on. Yep. It is big. Bra, bra, bra. Okay guys, this is pancake. It's so heavy. Okay, wait, it's gonna put. It smells great. We're gonna need that! The super syrup! The super syrup! Syrup is for pancakes, you know.
Wow.
You can also put some fruits or Nutella, but I only like the maple syrup.
Okay, Kaden, here's your glass of milk. Thank you.
I drink milk tonight, so it's okay.
Do you know how small it is?
Yeah. I want chocolate. That was a delicious breakfast, guys. So, comment down below what food did you want me to cook. And subscribe and like the video. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, boy.